In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new dataset and add data table in BigQuery. So let's get into it. So first you just log into your Google Cloud account, and when you do it, then you will have this interface. From there, go to the menu and then BigQuery, and from the drop down, click on Studio. And then we'll have this BigQuery interface. So now I'm already under a project, but if you want to create a new project, click here on these three dots, and from there, if you want to create a new project, just click here, then you can create a new project. But I will go with an existing project. So let's say I want to create a dataset under this project. I will just click here on these three dots and then create dataset. So here we just give the dataset an ID. Let's say new 2025 and create. So now under this project we got a new dataset called new 2025. Okay, so now that we have got a new dataset, now we can add a new data table. To do that, similarly click on these three dots and then create table. So for now the source, it says, so we can change it to upload, or you can upload it from cloud storage drive or any other sources, but just to show you, I'm choosing upload and then browse, and I'm uploading this CSV file just to show you. And then you can name your table line data. For these, I'm gonna just go with auto detect and then create table. As you can see that now I have got a new data table here. Now you can run the query. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.